Today's puzzle is known as 5 fives. Now in this channel we've already got two slightly similar puzzles. One is 3 threes and the other is 4 fours. So the next natural choice of course is 5 fives. The rules of the game are fairly similar. You're meant to get to numbers 1 all the way to 10 using the number 5 precisely 5 times. You can't use it any more, you can't use it any less. But of course you will need some math operators to work with. So the operators that we will allow you to use are plus, minus, multiplication and division. Now it would be great fun if you actually went and got yourselves some pen and paper and had a shot at this, had a real attempt at this puzzle before seeing the solution. So what we suggest is that you go ahead and pause this video, get yourselves a pen and paper, have a real attempt at this puzzle, and we'll be back after the pause with the solution to this puzzle. Okay, so the puzzle is 5 fives. So we're meant to get to the numbers 1 all the way to 10 using the following math operations, that is plus, minus, multiplication and division. So if you want to get to the number 1, so 1 can be written as let's say 2 minus 1, which can be written as 10 divided by 5 minus 1, and that would be 5 plus 5 divided by 5 minus 5 divided by 5. So that is 10 divided by 5 is 2 minus 1, and so 2 minus 1 is just 1. So if you want to get to 2, 2 would be 2 minus 0. So that is 5 plus 5 divided by 5 plus 5 minus 5. Okay, so that can actually be either 2 plus 0 or 2 minus 0. Of course it doesn't make a difference. So that's 2 plus 0, let's say that's 2 plus 0, so that's 2 plus 0 is 2. If you want to get to 3, 3 is 2 plus 1, so that would be 5 plus 5 divided by 5, so that's 2 plus 1, which is just 5 divided by 5. Getting to the number 4, 4 is a little bit on the tricky end, so that is, let's say, 20 divided by 5, so that would be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, so that gives us 20 divided by 5 gives us 4. Now if you want to get to the number 5 itself, now 5 is can be written as 5 times 1, which can be written as 5 times 5 divided by 5 times 5 divided by 5, which gets us 5. Okay, so continuing on the puzzle, we need to get to the number 6 using 5 fives. Now 6 can be written as 5 plus 1, which in turn can be written as 5 times 1 plus 1. So that would be 5 times 5 divided by 5. And so that we don't make a mistake, let's put a bracket around it, plus 1, so that would be just 5 divided by 5. So that's 5 plus 1 is 6. Now if we want to get to 7, 7 can be written as 5 plus 2, which is 5 plus 1 plus 1, which can be written as 5 plus 5 divided by 5 plus 5 divided by 5. So that's 5 plus 1 gets us 7. 8 can be written as 10 minus 2. So writing 10 is easy because that's just 5 plus 5. And to get to 2, we get 5 plus 5 divided by 5. Put that in a bracket, so that's 2, and put a minus sign in there. So we get 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. When you're looking at the number 9, 9 can be written as 5 plus 4, and so that is 5 plus, writing 4 is a little tricky, but not impossible. So that would be 5 times 5, which is 25, minus 5, which is 20, divided by 5 gives us 4. So put a bracket around there. So that's 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. And finally, we need to get to the number 10. So 10, if we note, is just say 25 minus 15. Then that makes it easy to spot, which is 5 times 5, which is 25, minus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Put a bracket around there. So that's 25 minus 15 gets us to 10. So this gets us to the end of this puzzle, to the end of 5 5s. And for that, we can give ourselves a little star.